Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install the Chrome Delete for the front grille for the 2019 Kia Forte. This is how it looks before the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the material that was used was the gloss black material to match the color scheme of the vehicle. Link for the product will be in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. Okay, so before starting the installation, we want to make sure we prep the panel itself. So just grab a clean microfiber towel and spray slip solution onto your towel, and making sure we just remove any contaminants that the panel might have. Also, something to keep in mind, after we finish cleaning the panel, we want to make sure everything is dry, because for this installation it is recommended to do a dry installation. So to start off the installation, you want to grab the decal itself, and if you want, you could place the edges just on top of the grille, because the first thing we're going to do is try to match the middle piece here to this middle section here. So make sure you align it and match it as close to matching it as possible, and making sure you're covering the chrome design of the grille. So the same process that we do for this side, you would just do it on the other end. So just make sure you give yourself enough room and enough material to cover the chrome piece on top. And then you would do the same for the other end. Okay, now that we have tacked down the upper piece, now we work our way to the middle section. So just grab your heat gun and heat it little by little and start helping it tack down. Okay, and you would just grab your blade and start trimming off all the excess material. And then the last thing to do is just apply heat, just to ensure that the film doesn't lift over time. And now we move on to the bottom piece. So for this next installation, it's almost the same thing as this one. So we just want to align it right on the top edge first. So align it on the top edge. And with this one, you might need to give yourself extra material. So you might have to move the film more higher just to cover up the piece right here in this corner and in this corner here. So it should be like that. And then you just rinse and repeat the same steps we did with this one to this one. So just work your way up here until you hit this end, and then same for this edge here. So match it there, and you just do the same on this end. Once you tack down the upper piece, now it's just squeegeeing the rest. So just bring it down little by little, helping with the curve here, and then just bringing it down. If you are having trouble applying this section here, you can use heat. Just squeegeeing should be fine. Okay, and the last thing to do once you finish installing everything is just trimming off any excess material that we have. And then once we finish trimming off, then we just post heat to secure the film onto the panel. Once we finish trimming off the excess material, the last thing is just post heating all around to secure the film onto the panel. Okay, so that concludes the installation for the front grille for the 2019 Kia Forte. We hope that this video helped you out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching and we'll see you on the next one.